Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It's Tuesday, January 7th, 2025. Hope you're doing well. All right, so thanks to you that have been joining me as we're looking to look at ways to fund our prop accounts, right? And so in the live training room today, we started early today at 8 o'clock Eastern, right? 8 o'clock Eastern on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And we had three good trades today. Let me show you two of them. So the first trade, again, at about 8:12, we had an opportunity when it went red, yellow, back to green here in the direction of the trend. Okay, this also matched the 5-minute chart. So what I'm showing you is a 1-minute chart trade, but the 5-minute also was an uptrend. We had the Heikin-Achi Delta Smooth overextended, then the green dot. That's my favorite opportunity, folks, when the 5-minute agrees. And then we also then have the HADS Heikin-Achi Delta Smooth overextended. That's the entry. Okay, and then you can see the beautiful move we had today. Okay, so that's the first trade on gold. That was pre-market at 8 o'clock. We also had a Russell trade, the Dow, by the way. So the Dow on the 1 minute, once the U.S. opened up at about 10:15. Again, the 5-minute was also in agreement. We had a nice move to the downside, had a slight retracement, and then right here, I grabbed another quick 10 ticks and out. And I said, as I was getting ready to take that trade, I'm only looking to grab a quick scalp on 10 ticks, right? I always tell you ahead of time as I take a trade. Some I hold longer than others. This was another really nice trade. HADS back here started it all. Red dot, as you learned in the training room. And then we found the execution right here. Okay, so with that, folks, if you're looking to join me in the training room, by the way, I do hold it 5 days a week right now. Take advantage of it. If you have WealthCharts, click on the hamburger menu. Okay, and then from there, you'll go to education, and then you go to WealthCharts events. Okay, once you're in WealthCharts events, I'll click on it right here. You can go to Wednesday the 8th, for example, and you'll see 9:30 live trading with Dr. Keith. Again, really focused on the day trading and trying to help you achieve funding your prop accounts. Okay. Also, by the way, so remember, big news coming up in next week, right? We have the Wealth Summit. If you've never been part of it, it's phenomenal how large it is and how much education you're going to get for the week. It's an entire week, folks. Those of you that have already been part of that and attended in the past already know how valuable it is, right? But it's wealth365.com/BBT. Make sure, again, you register for this. It's January 13th to 18th. People obviously like Rob Hoffman, a 33-time trading champion, heads this up, but you have a phenomenal lineup coming into this January summit. So don't hesitate to register for that. And again, look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's training room. Have a great day, everyone. Take care.